Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Cancers, we are picking these cards. Today for your moon energies, Cancers, we'll be picking one card. And for your special love guidance, love message, we are picking one card. So what you can do in your relationship. And I have the pick a card love reading, guys, right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Cancers. So let's start with these cards. Five of Swords, Knight of Swords and Seven of Wands in reverse. So in your situation today, maybe in your personal life, in this relationship, guys, you are someone making a lot of efforts, trying really hard, trying to be your best, guys. Maybe you want to, make this relationship work for you, and you are doing your best, maybe trying to be really friendly, loving, and caring. But whatever you do, all your good intentions or all your efforts are not being reciprocated. Maybe this person is not understanding you. Maybe they are truly, for some of you, not interested in you, guys, because they do not have even that, they are least bit concerned about you. They are not worried about you. And though you want to do your best, give it your best shot, trying to be really friendly with this person, maybe all you see is anxiety, and maybe they are arguing with you, and there are certain things you are unable to find that compromise and balance in this relationship. So your hard work and your efforts are being wasted over nothing, guys, and they are not understanding you, Cancers. And you may even feel quite embarrassed because you go out of the way trying to show this person how much you love them, but they do not understand that love you have for them. So that may be the reason this relationship, maybe for some of you, it may not work, guys. So even in your work situation, you are making a lot of efforts, struggling really hard, using your skills and talents, trying to be the best. But maybe it may be some mistakes on your part, or maybe some mistakes on someone's part, maybe people who work with you. That is the reason for this circumstance today in your work. So something is not working out as you expected. So you may be quite anxious about the way things are going today in your life, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is your moon energy card, Cancers. Nothing will come of this situation. So an apt card for your circumstance, guys. Maybe it just means that your situation, it may not bear any fruit. Maybe or may not be a good news in your situation. Maybe it depends on what you are asking for. So if you are worried about something, maybe thinking too much, worried about this relationship, worried where this relationship is going to go, it just means that you need not worry. Everything will fall into place, and your worries are not going to prove right, or not going to come true. But if you are asking of any project, new project, or something new coming in your work situation, this card just means that you need to change your expectations, and so that you will get a different outcome. Maybe hoping for something, something, not something very good, not something extremely good, just for hoping something to turn up. It may happen for you guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So whatever you are expecting or worrying about, that may not happen, but something different is coming your way, guys, Cancers. And there is no need to worry, because you will feel happy for this change coming in your life today, Cancers. So for your love guidance, it is Tolerance. Such an apt card for your circumstance, guys, what we were speaking about. So tolerance is being really, what to say, feeling really secure with our own self, and letting others also be as they are without judging them, and understanding that just like us, even they have their own feelings, emotions, and just like that us, even they have, what to say, all the problems. They also feel worried, anxious. So they are like us, so we need to support each other and respect each other. So that is the card, that is what this means. So being more tolerant is going to help us today, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship, or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility, you must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy, rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.